5:46, and I don't know if y'all can see me. That's better. But I'm gonna do a little bit of vlogging today, and hopefully we can get the Z in the shop today, and we can pull the motor. I don't know if we can pull the motor part, but if we can get the Z in the shop today, that'll be, that's good. But hey, I promise y'all, it's worth it. The build I'm doing, I promise y'all, it's worth it. But I'm gonna give y'all an update after work. But I'll see y'all after work. Your boy made that day. Now I'm finna run to the bank, I guess, and grab some money and head to the shop. But in the meantime, let's get to the bank. Alright, so I just made it to the bank, and he look familiar. He do look familiar, but yeah, I just made it to the bank, and after this, it's straight to Jimmy's. I don't know why I put my hand in the camera. That's stupid of me. But in the meantime, I'll catch y'all. Well, we got that little thing out the way. Now it's straight to Jimmy's. Straight to Jimmy's. Here we go. I want an SJ Cruiser so bad. I want to get one so bad, man. Oh, well, we got that little thing out the way. Now it's straight to Jimmy's. Straight to Jimmy's. Here we go. So yeah, that's like the real, for real. That's like a dumb way, to do a report, because I seen people get pulled over, and we almost got pulled over one time. But majority of the people that got pulled over, they either got a ticket or they just got like a warning saying, how cops are, they catch you doing something. But yeah, most of the time they don't even do nothing because nobody's there at nighttime, late at night, or morning I should say. And that was just really dumb for them to do. And it's been going on for like more than 4 years, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, more than 4 years before I even knew about it. And that was just stupid for them just to try to, shut down something that's not even bothering the community. And I just don't. That was just dumb. Period. Because now all it is stirring up trouble. They should just left that alone. And yeah. But for now, I'm almost at Jimmy's. I'm literally right here. But I'll get back to y'all in a sec. But yeah, like I was saying, that's dumb for real. That was dumb. Because nobody really even, watches the news like that. And all it did was really, make them even say, hey, these folks don't really care about this because, it's just stupid. But yeah. Oh yeah, on top of that, when they did the report, they went undercover. I didn't mention that. They tried to go undercover, which that was dumb because, to be honest, she put her own self, the Fox lady that recording with the undercover cops, she put her own self in danger because why would you park right there and begin with on the side of the highway where cars are going like 100 to 140 something miles? That was dumb for you to park right there, because what if one of them had came over to there, on you? Now that would make you look bad because you sitting up there trying to, hey, just trying to do stupid, random stuff. But I'm here at Jimmy's, and I see he got my hood open on the Z, so let's get to work. All right, so I don't know if I'm really get to record anything because my phone is about to die, and I don't have my battery with me. Well, I ain't got no charger with me, but I'm gonna show y'all what I'm finna do right now. But I'm probably stay here a little longer tonight so I can make sure it's in there tonight. And yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna just take the rest of the back seat belts out, and that'll be it. And then other than that, I think that'll be it. I don't know why I said that twice, but yeah. So right now, I'll probably show y'all in a little bit if my phone doesn't die on me. I'm on 37%, and yeah, if I don't show y'all today, then tomorrow is guaranteed, because tomorrow I'm coming up here early because I'm off. It's the weekend, and yeah. But let me get back. Alright, so I took the hood off. I got the fender off so far.
Yeah, I'm gonna let them finish their
the harness. Alright, so all the way down here. Let me see if I can show y'all. No, y'all can't really see it. But it runs all the way down by the tire light. Now I got my phone finna die. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm finna do, but we finna push the car in a sec. So I hate I can record. I'll probably get footage for y'all, but it ain't gonna be, you know, too long. But hold up, let me find my key. But oh, how I miss doing that when I first bought the car. So we pulled the ECU. It's the first time ever seeing my ECU. And I did all that, took the intake off. Got basically, oh, I'm good. But basically, yeah, I pulled that off. Majority of the stuff I pulled off is basically ready for the motor to be pulled. And it's just the motor getting pulled, not the transmission. But that's basically all the stuff. Alright, so basically, I'm just taking this bolt out right here. And maybe, yeah, this bolt over here. Well, yeah, I'm gonna take this out too. This, the back panel. And, yeah, I'm just gonna do that for now. I took the hood off myself. And, hey, it is what it is. It's gonna be a good day. But, meantime, hopefully I can catch a little something. If I don't, hey, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go after what you want. You see, I'm finna make a big move. This is my very first time, but go after what you want.